Another common use of geometry is when you paint a room in a house. When you paint a room in the house, you want to buy enough gallons of paint so that you cover the entire room so you don't have to go back to the store. But you also don't want to buy too many because then you have extra cans of paint that you don't need. So Mary is painting a room, sorry about the typo there, with 8-foot high ceilings. Using the floor plan below, calculate the number of paint cans needed if 1 gallon of paint covers approximately 350 to 400 square feet. So since this floor plan is only the two-dimensional view, when you have a floor plan, it's like you're looking at the room from above and there's no ceiling. So each line is one wall, and so we have to imagine the wall actually coming up into the air to create the sides of the room. So the length is 8 feet, but it goes 8 feet in the air, creating a square. So if we draw out our square, we have 8 foot long on the bottom, and then we have an 8-foot high ceiling. So 8 times 8 would give us 64 feet squared. So just that one wall would be 64 feet squared. The other wall on the left is going to be the same since they match. The left and right side of a rectangle are the same, so we don't need to redraw that or recalculate. We can just say, well, it's 8 foot long and 8 foot high, so it's also 64 inches squared. The back of the room is 12 feet wide, so 12 feet times the 8-foot high ceilings gives us 96 feet squared. Now the door doesn't need to be painted. So if we have 3 feet of door, 12 feet, we want to take away the 3 feet of door. So we're going to do 12 minus 3 because the entire length is 12. We're going to take out that door, and the rest of the wall is 9 feet long. So 9 feet times 8 gives us 72, again for the 8-foot high ceilings. So 72 feet squared. Now there is a little space above the door, so this is just an approximation. We'll want to add and say, well, I need a little bit more than that, but this will give us a pretty good idea. So we have 64 plus the 96 plus another 64 plus the 72, and that gives us 296 feet squared. So the area of all the walls combined is 296 feet plus a little bit more for above the door. So since a gallon of paint covers 350 to 400 square feet, we probably only need 1 gallon of paint. If we'd gotten a number like 700 square feet, then we probably need 2 gallons. The highest number is 400, so 4 plus 4 is 800. That makes up 2 total gallons. So 700 square feet of wall would be about 2 gallons. So we can use this and utilize this to estimate how much we need to hopefully save us some money when we go to paint the walls of a room.